Hello guys, so today we have this one, and then so we have the Tesla Model Y, and we're gonna see it. So let's see in the real life. Okay, and there we go. Here you can open the see and the see. The brand in there, and the back seats are really nice. The boot, see, so much space in here. So this one is the whole thing featured with the charger. You can charge it. So you can charge it anywhere if you want, and just see. So you can take out the charger and then put it over here, and then put it here. So yeah, and then we're just gonna go here. It's not fitting properly, so I think we'll fix it next time. So okay, and you'll see only this type of gap means it also is off-road. I mean, there's a wiping thing, so you can wipe this, and here we go is the thing, Tesla.
Can you show the boot and the bonnet?
So there's nothing here. You can only there's only a battery, and the boot is so much space. So you can also wipe each of them, and you can just close it like, see, but it's so just see, and it goes fast. Yeah.
So do you wanna show the sound of this car?
Yeah, so I'll show you the sound.
First you have to take out the small slip from here.
Okay, so
okay, now you can show the sound.
See? So it's opened by, and it also has autopilot. It's a door. So no.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah. Oh. So bye bye.
And see you guys.
See you guys.